Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video let me show you how to send gifts on Instagram Reels.
Hello everyone. So if you want to send gifts on Instagram via Reels, then here's how to do it. Of course, you want to go to your Instagram. After that is you want to go to your Reels, of course. Go to Reels. And for example, this one, you want to send them Reels. Go to the comment section. On the comment section at the bottom, you can see a little icon which is a GIF. And then tap in, then send first GIF. After that, it will let you settle on your payment. So I haven't have my payment settled, so you just want to settle that one. It is actually easy via Apple Wallet. So if I want to buy that one, then I'm gonna purchase and agree to the payment terms from my Apple Wallet. So I don't wanna do that. And yes, that's that simple. That's all on how to send gifts on